This is a video tutorial on how to assemble a coat closet tower unit. To start off, we have one of the vertical panels laid on its side on a flat surface. First, we'll start with the drawer slides. As you'll notice, there are markers placed along the line bore, which are marked for your configuration of drawers to help you know where to put the drawer slides. We'll start with the bottom. The bottom drawer slide will be smaller than the other ones to account for the notch. So you'll notice on the drawer slide there are two sets of holes. The set that we're going to be using is the second set of holes at the very bottom. And what you want to do, find your markers, put this to the very front and make it flush with the edge banding, and then just line the bottom set of holes up, and then just add your Euro screws into the holes. Now that we have the drawer slides installed, we'll start with the cam bolts. Every tower unit will come with an instruction manual to show you exactly where these will go, but we'll run through it real fast here. First, you'll have 3 at the bottom. And 2 in the middle. And these will go in a standard configuration, which is 1 large drawer, 3 medium-sized drawers. You'll go to this top line bore, stop at the middle, and that's the plane you'll put these 2 on. And then you'll have 3 more at the top. Next, we're going to be attaching the toe kick to the bottom fixed shelf and the top cleat to the top fixed shelf. You'll notice that these are all labeled, and they have 3 cam bolt locations in which I've already installed. So we'll start with the toe kick. The cams will go on the inside, and just tighten the cams. Then we'll do the top cleat to the top fixed shelf. This one, the cams will go on the outside. Now we're going to attach all the fixed shelving to the vertical panel. We'll start with the bottom fixed shelf that's been attached to the toe kick. What we'll do first is just slightly loosen the bottom drawer slide so that we can get this shelf in there. And then just as a one-hole piece, it just fits right in. And then we just attach the cams. And then we'll tighten our drawer slide back. Okay. Next, we'll attach the middle fixed shelf on the 2 middle cam bolts that we installed. Now we'll attach the top shelf that's attached to the cleat and just tighten the cam screws. Now that we have all of our shelves installed at the vertical panel, we're going to take the other vertical panel, which I've already installed the cam bolts and the drawer slides, just as we did it with this one. And you're just going to take it and sandwich it on top of everything, and then get your cam bolts into the cam holes. And then you're just going to go down and tighten up all of your cam bolts. Now that we've assembled the tower unit, we will move on to the drawer box assembly. So these are our dovetail construction drawer boxes. You'll notice that there are 2 holes on the ends. That's what we're going to be using to attach the drawer face. And then you have 3 holes in the middle. The middle one's for the knob, or you can do the outer 2 for a pull if you prefer that. All of our drawers come with the knob. So this is our drawer face. This is a raised panel drawer face. And what we're going to do is flip it over, and you'll notice the 2 cam locations. And what we're going to do is attach the drawer face to the drawer box using the 2 holes on the end and lining them up with the 2 cams. So you just take that and line it up and then you just screw them in. Now that the drawer face is attached, if you want a knob or a pull to go on the front, what you do is just take a drill, go through the back and the template locations, and you can just install whatever you want on the front from there. Now that we have the drawer box, we're going to take it and just set it on top of the slides, push it in, and it just clicked in, and now you have a soft close drawer. Sometimes if it doesn't go in right away, you can kind of just give it a little shove on the front 2 corners and just check in the back to make sure that it's hooked in, and there you go. Also, our tower units come with 3 adjustable shelves that go in the top part of the unit. All you have to do is add the flat pins into the line board, and then you can put the adjustable shelves wherever you want, and it sets on just like that. The most common way to attach a tower unit to the wall is to use the top cleat up here and to locate a stud on the wall. Once you locate the stud, I would use a 2-inch screw, and you can just go straight to the top and into the wall. If for whatever reason you don't have a stud you can also use a plastic spiral anchor that we offer. It would also come to the tower unit, and just mark its location and drill a screw through that into the wall. We also sell L brackets that come with the unit that you can put in hidden locations such as the top or on the insides and screw into the wall that way.